Hello, all. Welcome to another Clojure Diary video. I think I saw this problem in a channel called Prime Reacts. He's also a vlogger. He's a coder and vlogger. And the thing is like this. Okay, like you have a string like this, right? And you have some repetitions like R, G, and A, and you have R once again, and you have A once again, right? So things are just repeating, but we need to find like first four characters that are not repeating. Okay, so any four characters that are not repeating, right? That's the thing. So let me just try to run this code. I solved it. So actually, in the channel Prime Reacts, I think they did it using Vim and something called Vim script or some regex in Vim. I don't use Vim and Emacs. Okay, so like I just want to get things done rather than keep learning and learning stuff. So like I don't use Vim and Emacs, and that's one reason why I'm learning even Clojure, right? So because like I just don't want to keep going into all these design patterns and all those things that object oriented languages offer, like and which are just distractions. I just want to give solutions. So yeah. So yeah, like but I have done it in Clojure. Maybe doing this with Vim and this Vim regular expressions might be very difficult, but in Clojure it seems to be very easy. So I'll be explaining how. Right. So that's the thing. Oops, there is no terminal. I need to create one, I think. Okay, so okay, terminal. Okay, create a terminal. And I am using a editor called VS Codium, and it's not VS Code. I think it's VS Code minus the bad parts that Microsoft put into it. So maybe yeah, I'm safe. I'm not being tracked, but I really don't know. So yeah, I'll just launch my lane ripple. Okay, it's running in port 65080. I just need to copy it. I will just launch my Clojure Ripple. Okay, connect to Ripple, not in this project. Okay, so Leningen and localhost, then followed by this port number, and hopefully it gets connected. Right, so I think I can just close this. That is like hide this off, and and I can just scroll it, just test it out. It's always 1 plus 1. Yes, looks like the ripple is working. So you've got string over here. So this is the string, and now what we are just doing is like let me just load this function save into the ripple, and then I'll just give like sieve. I think the sieve spelling is right. So or maybe I could be wrong. English is not my first language. Yeah. So 4AGJ. So where is it? 4AGJ. Yeah. So this is the first four non-repeating stuff in the string. So yeah. So how did this occur? Okay. So what happens is like okay, like we just take first four letters in this string. So uh, okay, so it says RAGR. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, of course, now it's not a string because I think it returns a list of characters. Okay, so that's the thing. And then to find the unique stuff, okay, so this we'll just put it as okay, like we'll just put it in first four letters. Okay, so that's the thing. And to get the unique characters, we'll just put it into a set. Okay, so that's the thing. Now what happens is okay, look, if the first four characters, if if there are some repetition, definitely the set will take out the repetition. Set is just collection of unique objects. Okay, so you can't have repeating stuff in set. Okay, so even if you have this R and R repeating, it will just take out. Okay, so now it becomes AGR. So we want to find the first four unique. So this is only this has only length of 3. So yeah, we are just trying to find the length of this one. So that is, so you just put count over here. You just put count over here, right? You just put count over here, and yeah, it becomes 3, right? So the length is 3. Okay, so that's the thing, and so you don't. Okay, if the length is 4, okay, so you are just printing this first 4 letters. Okay, else you're just doing this rest of string. So what is this rest of string? So this is string. So this is string, and the count of string is what? Count of string is 36 letters. Now you'll just put rest of string. Oops. Okay, rest of string. Okay, now you see, yeah, now it's just list of letters, but yeah, for this example, it's okay. But the thing is, it starts from G. The first R has been left out. Okay, so look, if it doesn't find any, uh, look, if this pattern, like if the 4 letters are not unique, then it just calls itself again with the rest of string. Okay, so once again, the process goes on and on until it finds something. If it finds nothing, yeah, it'll just exit without any fuss. Okay, so let me just put something like okay, or let me just put like this. Okay, it's like C, right? A. So all characters are repeating and all those stuff, right? So there is nothing like first 4, what to say, different characters. So that's it. It does. Oops. Is it going into some recursive loop? Okay, I think so. Yes. Okay. So yes, it is going into some loop. I need to close it off. I need to, yeah. Yeah, I just exited. So I just need to put a code like, okay, like if something is not there. Okay, so like if count is uh greater than 0, I think yeah, I need to end it off. Okay, but other than that, okay, this thing works. Okay, so yeah, let me just launch another ripple. So okay, so ripple. Okay, engine. Okay, right. Okay. So yeah, I think it just goes on an infinite loop. If I just give something like yay or something like that, right? So that should be avoided. Okay. So okay. So let me just put another condition, right? Okay. I'll just put another condition. Okay. If length is equal to 0, println nothing found. Else it needs to recover. Hopefully this works. Okay. So without these colorings, I surely think I'll be confused with Clojure. So so yeah, let me just test it. Okay. So let me just put like okay, let me just load the C. Hopefully I fixed it. Yeah, nothing found. Okay. So now if I just load the string, right? So what happens is okay, it just puts 4A, GJ and all those stuff, right? So that's what it just gives. Okay, so now it doesn't go on an infinite loop and all those things. So all what it does is like okay, it just takes the string, takes first 4 characters, find the unique one, and it finds the length of it, And if the length is 4, yeah, then it just says, look, I found that first 4 unique characters and all those stuff. That is the first 4 unique letters. Else, what it does is like, okay, if the length is 0, it just says, okay, nothing found. Otherwise, like, it just says, okay, like, I'm just going to try again if the length is greater than 0, right? Actually, we can even put like, okay, if the length is greater than 4. Okay, so the length is greater than 4, that also works. Okay, so yeah, so that also works because uh, we need to find the first 4 characters, right? So in fact, like this is little more efficient. Okay, this, oops, I don't know what happened. Right. Okay, I need to. I don't know why it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Length is equal to 0. I need to. Okay. Okay, so I'm not having brains to find out why it doesn't work. Then engine and 65080. Yeah, 65080. 65080. Okay, fine. So there is, I think there's no way to kill this one, like Calva Ripple, whenever something goes wrong. So that's one annoying thing I just find. String is there. What about C? C was there. Okay. C of string. Okay, now C of A. Okay. Thing found. Okay, so we have just written the function, right? So this is how you can do, but of course, yeah, you can, for the first n unique characters, you can even incorporate a number n over here and put a number n over here instead of this 4 and all those stuff. But yeah, I leave it to you. Okay, so maybe, yeah, this kind of problems are difficult in Vim script, or what to say, or some kind of what to say, to do it in Vim. So I saw it in Prime React, that page, and yeah, let me just see whether I can just get the video. Maybe, yeah, I'll just put it in the notes. So I just want to show the video. So first 4 unique characters. I don't know how good YouTube search algorithm is. Okay, so I don't get the Prime React video. Maybe he's not so famous. Like even if I put Prime Reacts, I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe this one. Yeah, it's this one, right? So yeah, this is the thing. Maybe, yeah, I'll just put this stuff, right? So in fact, he takes another video and he just comments on it, and what to say, he just puts his own video. So that's how it goes. Okay. So yeah, so this is how it just goes. I'll also put this video link and all those stuff, and maybe, yeah, it is difficult in other stuff, but maybe it's not so difficult in Clojure. I really don't know. So that's the thing. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in the next video. Bye.